artist. Do you want to draw a big, strong tractor? Let's draw and color together. Super easy and super fun. Grab your marker and paper.
Yay!
Let's start.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw 2 big circles for the wheels. Great job. Now, add zigzag lines around the circles to make the tires. Wow! Strong tractor wheels. Now let's draw the tractor body. Draw a big shape on top of the wheels. Next, draw a window. Awesome! Now draw a steering wheel and a seat for the driver. Your tractor is coming to life. Let's draw a chimney in the front and add some smoke puffing out. So cool! Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make it pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Ha-ha! Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow, such a colorful tractor. Awesome work, little artists. Your tractor looks amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.